people, and Merry Vlogmas. So in today's Vlogmas, I wanted to share some quick and easy but hearty recipes. In the month of December, we get extra busy with extra shopping, extra errands, and we still got work, kids, husband, family, we still got all that to take care of. So I thought it would be helpful to share some of my quick and easy but hearty and tasteful winter soups. Today's recipe, we are gonna cook tortellini soup. I ain't got no fancy name. I use cheese tortellini, so it's tortellini soup. Hey good people, let's start cooking. So this pot is from our place. Love this pot. You can do 7 different things in this one pot. So now it's time to get ready to brown our sausage. I like to use sweet Italian sausage for this recipe, but you can use whatever sausage that you want. You can use mild, you can use spicy. I prefer sweet because with tomato-based products, the tomato sauce and base can get a little bitter. So the sweet of the sausage helps kind of even that out. Next, you're going to need a small onion chopped. I got that knife sharpener from Amazon, 10 bucks well spent. Why when I flip the knife around, I think I'm somewhere on the Food Network. I mean, I'm a chef now. Okay, I'm not a chef. I'm something like a chef though. I'm something like I'm just playing. The onions don't have to be chopped up very finely. A small to somewhat medium size chopped onion will work. Once you got the onions chopped to your liking, add them to the sausages in the pan. So next you'll need 3 stalks of celery, now I know the bag says washed, but please, good people, I'ma need y'all to make sure you wash the celery. We don't wanna get the cooties, we can avoid that. Wash your fruit and vegetables. I don't care what the bag say, okay? Now the celery does need to be finely chopped. I promise you do not want a thick piece of celery to ruin the texture of your soup. I mean, at least I don't. I have the standard 6-quart Crockpot slow cooker. It has 3 settings if you want to count keep warm, low, high, and then keep warm. I had this crock pot forever, so I don't remember where I got it from, but it's the standard crock pot. You can get it from anywhere. Amazon, Bed Bath & Beyond, you can get it from anywhere. Don't quote me on the red, but you can get the regular stainless steel color. And like I said, I had it forever, so I'm sure they have updated versions. Okay, so now we're just gonna add the chopped celery to the crock pot that has the onions and the sausage in it. So now you'll need 1 bag or about 2 cups of carrot chips. Go ahead and add them to the crock pot. So you need about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Listen, good people, I do not measure, you know, I kind of eyeball it, but 2 tablespoons. I'm confident, 2 tablespoons. I'll add 1 can of crushed tomatoes. And a can of diced tomatoes. The fire roasted give it a little extra oomph, a little extra kick. So now we need about 4 cups of chicken stock. I have the unsalted here. You don't have to get the unsalted. So we need about 4 cups. It looks like I'm pouring 4 cups, but again, I don't technically measure, but it looks like 4 cups. Basically, use enough chicken broth where the consistency of the soup works for you. Now let this cook on low for 7.5 hours. At the end of the 7.5 hours, turn your crock pot from low to high. 30 minutes prior to serving, add in the refrigerated tortellini. Add in Italian seasoning, add it to taste. Here it looks like I got about a tablespoon, but you know, can't be sure. Okay, now add some salt and pepper to taste. No, it is not optional. Add some salt and pepper and stop playing with my emotions. Okay, so we're going to need about 2 cups of baby spinach. But you can add more if you like. So next, add in about 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Add garlic sauce to taste. Make sure you blend that thing to get all them spices working together. And let it cook for the remaining 30 minutes. Now, if you feel like being a little fancy this Christmas, put a little cilantro on it for garnish. Well, that was delicious. That was the banger. Best part is I don't do dishes tonight. So, but let me know if you guys tried this recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you tried it, let me know if you used the same ingredients. Let me know if you changed it up a bit. If you took some things out, added some things in. Hopefully you enjoyed it. As always, thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Merry Vlogmas. Okay, bye!